Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Alghero Speaks English TV. My name is Karen, and this is my colleague.
I'm Marta. Hello.
We will be bringing you some English programs to help you learn English here in Alghero. I will be teaching you yoga in English. Every week you will receive one lesson. And Marta, what will you be doing?
I will teach you the joys of cooking and making cocktails and drinks.
Oh wow, that sounds
my
great.
My favorite thing to do in my free time.
Oh.
All in English.
Well, I look forward to your class.
Obviously.
Parliamo anche l'italiano, però questa lezione sarà in inglese. Our third partner, Colette, is in London, and she will be bringing you some lessons in grammar, English grammar, and travel. Right? Anything else Colette might be bringing us?
No, I think that's about it. She'll be taking you to London, I think, on her first lesson, because she is in London right now.
She's in London. She's filming some spots in London that you'll be able to see next week. And then she will be also bringing some footage from Spain.
Yes, that's right. And for my first lesson, I will be teaching you how to make an all-American barbecue sauce for those summer barbecues everybody enjoys.
Do Italians use barbecue sauce?
No, I don't think so, but I'm sure once you taste a good American barbecue sauce, you'll never go back.
Okay, well I look forward to that. I need to learn a good barbecue sauce recipe. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining us on Alghero Speaks English TV. Ciao,
Ciao.
arrivederci.